Hi everyone, it's Lori DeMilto. In this video, I'll show you how you can get bigger, better clients by choosing a money-making specialty. This is step 4 in my proven 10-step process to get steady, high-paying clients even in a recession. If you have a bad leak and water is pouring onto your floor, you're going to call a plumber, not a handyman. The plumber is an expert in solving your problem because plumbing is his or her specialty. The handyman isn't. When clients hire a freelancer, they want an expert too, and they're willing to pay well for that expertise. That's why specializing is the fastest, easiest way to get steady, high-paying clients in good times and in bad. As a specialist, you'll stand out in a sea of freelancers, and steady, high-paying clients will be able to find you more easily. Having an in-demand specialty is even more important during a recession when there's less freelance work and more competition. Choosing a specialty and moving toward it takes time for most freelancers. Your specialty can and usually should change as you get more experience and learn more about the market for your services. Start more broadly and narrow down your specialty over time. You can start with 2 or 3 specialties and may even keep 2 or 3 specialties throughout your freelance career. In a recession, it's great to have 2 or 3 specialties. If one of your specialties takes a nosedive, you still have other clients and freelance work in other specialties. The right specialty is a money-making specialty. A money-making specialty is in demand. It offers lots of opportunities for freelancers like you, even in a recession, and makes it easy for you to find and reach prospective clients. Focus on industries and target markets where demand is high, even in a recession, and clients can still afford to pay you well. Target markets are groups of clients within an industry. Also focus on core services that clients still need. Finding your money-making specialty does take time and effort, but the work you put in now will help you get great clients throughout your freelance career. During the COVID-19 recession, some industries will grow and others will shrink. Some industries could go either way. Here are the likely winning industries during the COVID-19 recession. And here are the likely losers. If you're working in any of these industries, start expanding or changing your specialty now. If your industries aren't on the list of winners or the list of losers, they could go either way in the COVID-19 recession. Consider your options and start expanding to some winning industries soon. Along with choosing industries or target markets with high demand, focus on core services that clients still need and are willing to pay for. Content marketing, for example, continues to boom, while writing or editing for magazines and newspapers continues to plummet. Other core services include other types of web-based content and any service that helps clients sell their core products and services. Even clients who are cutting costs still need to market their core services and products. Figure out the core services within specific industries or target markets, and even for individual clients. Then focus on services you already provide or could provide that match client needs. Now you know what makes up a strong specialty in the COVID-19 recession. The next step is to assess your specialty and figure out what changes you need to make to thrive despite the recession. Watch the video Is Your Freelance Specialty Strong Enough to learn how to assess your specialty and, if necessary, how to expand or change it. So that's a quick summary of step 4. Here are all 10 steps in becoming a fearless freelancer and thriving in a recession. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you see and want more, subscribe to the Mighty Marketer YouTube channel by clicking on my photo. Get more free content on themightymarketer.com. If you need more help growing your freelance business, check out my book or my online course on themightymarketer.com.